The heart of unity. Defying racial boundaries in a world brimming with diversity, the illusion of racism persists as a tragic consequence of misconceptions and unfounded beliefs. This content script seeks to dismantle the fallacy of racism by delving into the scientific, social, and ethical dimensions that underscore its illusory nature. Scientific social ethical racism is rooted in the false notion that distinct biological races exist within the human species. Science reveals that there is more genetic variation within any so-called racial group than there is between different groups. The concept of race has no grounding in biology. It is a social construct that humanity must collectively debunk. Humans belong to the same species, Homo sapiens. Our shared DNA unites us in our humanity. Let us celebrate the richness of our collective heritage instead of focusing on perceived differences. Regardless of skin color, anyone can give or receive a heart from another human being. This remarkable truth defies the artificial boundaries of race and underscores the intrinsic unity of our species. Racism affects us all, perpetuating division and inequality. To dismantle this illusion, we must actively engage in empathy education advocacy. By confronting our biases and supporting social justice organizations, we pave the way for a brighter future. The journey to eradicating racism requires collective effort and a commitment to unlearning misconceptions. Let us foster an environment of inclusivity, where every individual is celebrated for their unique contributions. By recognizing the fallacy of race and embracing our shared humanity, we can build a world where love, acceptance, and understanding prevail. Let us embark on this journey together, breaking down the barriers of illusion and embracing the true essence of what it means to be human.